My name is Christopher Terry. I'm the Worldwide Vice President of Sales and Business Development and the co-founder of Racklive.com. Racklive is a system builder and rack-level integrator. We're also a titanium partner for Dell. We have access to all the technical competencies of Dell, all of the different technical competencies of Dell, as long as our own technical competencies. But we can get a subject matter expert from Dell on every single subject. And if you've seen Dell's portfolio, that's a big portfolio. That's a long line card. We're in Fremont, California. We're 93,000 square feet. We're on 6 acres. We're solar powered. We have 4,000 amps of 480 volt power. We can power virtually any current anywhere in the world. We simulate the environment here in Fremont, and we deploy it over 25 countries so far. We build, we rack, we stack, we do it all in-house, all under one roof. ASA is my parent company. ASA owns Racklive. I run the data center division of ASA Computers. There are a lot of things that make Racklive unique, but one of the things is we can do a high mix, low volume system build. We can do a low mix, high volume system build. We've got extensive knowledge both at the system level and at the data center. We also have a in-house mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, chief technology officer. Having a CTO in an environment where you're a system builder or an integrator or a VAR is kind of a guilty pleasure for us. We're able to solve a lot of problems prior to those problems becoming problems. This gives us an advantage when it comes to time to market. We have a motto of just say yes. And how that came about is we have a manufacturer's mentality. We have a manufacturer's background. So I'm not the smartest guy in the room, my customer is. And when my customer wants something, they want it. So it's my job to fulfill what they want. So it's not our job to say no. Our job is to say yes and figure it out. And I think that sets us apart from some of the others. We're very happy about where we're at today with Racklive. We've had growth on top of growth for the last 10 years. We're not satisfied, but we're happy. We couldn't be more excited about the impact we're about to make for our customers, present and future, both domestically and around the world.